made, which articulated very, very concisely. Full transparency is only path forward. We anticipate submitting our report to the Senate within the stipulated period, and with the collective will of this nation, we will ensure the promise of Safe Schools initiative is finally fulfilled. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Well, gentlemen of the press, this is the reason why we are here today. We are given a mandate by the Senate to do this job, and we have taken the mandate very, very, very serious, and we invoke all necessary Nigerian laws. In any official we have invited to come and he refused to come, we will invoke the laws of the Senate, including arresting them to come and testify in this committee. So I rest my case. The Vice Chairman might have some remarks to make and the consideration, if you so wish.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Distinguished colleagues, I will first of all thank the Chairman for his opening speech and all he said about what is before us. That is assignment given to us by the Senate to investigate the Safe Schools Initiative program. Mr. Chairman has said it all. All I want to add is to assure Nigerians that this committee has the zeal, and we are very much ready, all out, to investigate the deep problem that has occurred, which made this program, I wouldn't call it a failure, but almost to its collapse, total collapse. And I'm sure the caliber of membership of this committee, headed by the chairman we have, don't think will leave any stone unturned for us to produce a report that will not only help the Senate, but will help the nation in reviving what is happening in our schools. There is that saying which said, every nation, the wealth of every nation lies in its children, and therefore we cannot afford to abandon our children at their early stage of learning. So, ladies and gentlemen, with this assurance, I will want to thank the chairman, will want to thank each and every one of you that has come to this inaugural meeting, and I assure you that whatever the outcome will be, it will be to the national interest. Thank you very much.
And here we are today to hit the ground running. Mr. Chairman, we rest assured that we are going to put in our best in unraveling the circumstances surrounding the merits and demerits, if any, of the Safe School initiative or program of the federal government. We will leave no stone unturned. We will put in our very best to ensure that justice is done to the assignment before us. You have our support, and we assure you that we are going to work as a team. Let me also commend the Secretariat for drafting the work plan. It is very apt. We'll look at it, study it, and make inputs where necessary. On this note, I thank you and congratulate all of you on your well-deserved appointments as members of this committee. With the caliber of people on this committee, I am very confident that justice will be done to the assignment before us. I thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Senator Kaka. Senator Abiru.
Safe. They should be safe, and they are going to be safe. And then, like I said, contumaciously, I'm a proud member of this ad hoc committee, and I'm going to extend, and make sure that I put my own energy into it, both privately and publicly, to make sure that we achieve what we are supposed to achieve according to the wishes and aspirations of the 10th Senate under the Senate President, Senator Godswill Obot Akpabio. Thank you very seriously.
Thank you. Okay, Senator, please.
Mr. Chairman and my colleagues, members of that are around here.
Gentlemen of the press, we need your help because we want to show everything we are doing to be transparent. We need you to be here. Clerk, you must bring them here every day. And the people come to testify. Whatever time. We are trying to start on Tuesday if you have sent the letters. Huh? We have sent to Minister of Finance to ask his people and all those concerned to be here on Tuesday by 3 p.m. And we will respectfully expect them to be here on time so we can finish on time. We have a limited time to send back this report to the chambers of the Senate. So we are just a subcommittee of the Senate and we need to finish our job very soon and send back to the committee of the whole of the Senate. So I think if there is anything any member wants to say, after looking at this one plan, you have, yes, go ahead and because we are here. So we can agree on it that those plan, can you move for adjournment? Any AOB, yes. Can you move for adjournment?
LPP, the announcement